I'm out here getting ready to go do a quote for a gutter guard job around the corner, and just kind of get my ducks in a row, do my research on the homeowner and stuff like that. And man, I just kind of started thinking, us in this industry, especially if you're a one-person business, it's a fairly lonely role, and if you don't have massive amounts of self-esteem, discipline, ambition, principles in place, things like that, it's a very easy role to kind of get out of hand, let your mind get in a bad place, become unmotivated, be discouraged. There's a lot of those things that definitely exist, and this goes for just anybody that is a single operator or works remotely or by yourself or whatever it is. I spend a lot of time in the car by myself, me and my own thoughts, out here talking with homeowners, doing jobs, things like that. And again, I am one of the more self-sufficient individuals for sure, but I have my moments where I just get discouraged or start second guessing career paths, or just unmotivated. Sometimes, like, man, I really don't want to be out here knocking doors. I don't want to go bother this person, right? And you start to get in your mind a little bit, but then you have to have that moment where you snap out of it and go, this is a great path, man. I love what I do. I make good money. I have the freedom and flexibility to do what I want to do with my career. I genuinely get to help individuals. I know sometimes they don't want the help originally, but it's a beautiful thing. And I guess the point I'm trying to get to is we all need somebody or some other people to have in our corner, to look out for us, to give us that little push when we need it. And I'm aware enough to know that sometimes these videos are that for other people, and you guys have told me. Anyways, I guess the moral of the story is, man, get you a group, get you some people in your corner. It's going to push you, motivate you, hold you accountable, celebrate wins with you, all those things. And because of that, that's why I recently started the Telegram group chat. So if you guys want to be a part of it, by all means, go ahead. It's 100% free. You can ask me questions and we can bounce ideas off each other and keep ourselves motivated, or pick ourselves up, or whatever it is. I recognize it's not easy doing this line of work. One is the actual work, but the other part is kind of like the mental, by yourself in your own head kind of place. Maybe this resonates with you, maybe it doesn't. It's a moment of vulnerability for me to you guys, but yeah, check out the Telegram group, man. Maybe we can link up and we can push each other to be better and hold ourselves accountable to hitting the goals that we have in place for ourselves. As always, man, keep them clean.